Hello everyone. Today I am going to start chapter 8, Profit, Loss and Discount. Since this topic has already learned in class 7 also. But the formula where we have already learned in class 7, the same formula I have written over here. So see what are the formula to simplify this chapter. We have the first formula, it is profit. So when profit will be made, so there is the relations between SP and CP. Since SP is the selling price and CP is the cost price. If selling price is greater than the cost price, then profit made equal to SP minus CP. And the second one is the loss. If CP is greater than SP. If cost price is greater than the selling price, then loss has made. So loss is equal to what? CP minus SP. If profit or loss has been calculated, then we have to find about the number third is the profit percent or loss percent. So profit percent is also known as the gain percent. So this formula has defined as profit divided by cost price into 100%. The profit from here and CP is already given. But you must remember, whenever you are calculate profit percent are always calculated on the original cost or original price, that is called the CP. I have written this thing on the note. The next one is the loss. It is the loss divided by original price into 100%. Sorry, into 100%, or simply you can write loss divided by CP into 100%. There is no more change. Here it is the profit percent, that's why it is the profit, and here is the loss percent, therefore it is the loss divided by CP into 100%. And it is not profit percent and loss percent are always calculated on cost price, that is CP, or original price. Based on this formula, we are able to solve the exercise. Okay, so see, from the exercise 8A, I have considered one question number 3. Read the questions carefully and make the calculations. See, a man buys a certain number of articles at 15 for rupees 112.50. That means cost of 15 articles is equal to what? 112.50. And sells them at 12 for 108. And then sale price of 12 articles is equal to 108. Find his gain as percent, the number of articles sold to make a profit of rupees 75. Now I am applying here the unitary method. See here, the cost price of 15 article. Cost price of 15 article is equal to what? 112.50. So cost price of one article is equal to what? 112.50 divided by 15. After calculations, it will come rupees 7.5. Now, the selling price of 12 article is equal to 108. So, SP of 12 article is equal to 108. So, SP of 1 article is equal to what? 108 divided by 12 is equal to what? Rupees 9. Since SP is rupees 9 for 1 article and CP of 1 article is equal to rupees 7.5. So, definitely SP is greater than CP. Definitely profit has made. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. 9 minus 7.5 is equal to rupees 1.5. Okay. Now the first one we have to find his gain as percent. So first to calculate the profit percentage or gain percentage. So is equal to what? Profit. Apply this formula. Profit divided by CP into 100. So profit is equal to what? 1.5 CP. For CP is equal to CP of 1 article. Since we are profit has calculated for 1 article, that's why cost price will be also substituted here for the 1 article, which is 7.5 rupees into 100 percentage. After calculations, it will come 20%. Now the second one, the number of articles sold to make a profit of 75 rupees. Since for 1.5 rupees, number of articles has sold is equal to what? One article. This profit has calculated for one article. So rupees 1.5 number of article has sold 1. So apply the unitary method. Rupees 1.5 is equal to 1 article sold. So in rupees 1 is equal to 1 by 1.5. 1 by 1.5 article sold. So therefore in rupees 75 is equal to 75 into 1 divided by 1.5 is equal to 75 into 10 divided by 15. So 15 times 5 is equal to 15 times 5 is equal to 75, and 5 into 10 will be 50 articles. So this is the second answer of this questions. Okay. Now the last question from this exercise, which is a man sold his bicycle for rupees 405, losing 1/10 of its cost price. Find its cost price. Number 2, the loss percent. Now see here, we have selling price of the bicycle is rupees 405 and loss price it is provided you what? 1/10. So what is the cost price? There is not given. So first you consider, let cost price of bicycle is equal to rupees x. Okay. So loss is equal to what? 1/10 of its cost price. So loss is equal to x by 10 and SP is equal to 405. So what is the relations in between SP, CP and loss? So SP is equal to CP minus loss. So SP is equal to what? SP is equal to 405 is equal to CP. CP is here x minus loss. Loss is equal to what? X by 10. And after taking the LCM 10, this will be 10x minus x is equal to 9x by 10. Okay, we have find a unknown variable x. So you may write 405 is equal to 9x by 10. Even you can write 9x is equal to 405 into 10. So x is equal to 405 into 10 by 9. Just calculate it. And this will be 9 times 4, and here is the 4 and 5, 9. So x is equal to 49 into 10 is equals to rupees 490. So this x is a cost price. So first answer is CP is equal to x is equals to rupees 490. Now the second one, we have to find the loss percentage. So loss is equal to what? So loss is equal to x. X is equal to what? 490 by 10. Calculate this is equal to what? 49. The loss calculated. So loss percent is equal to what? Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by what? CP into 100 percentage into 100 percentage. Just calculate this one by yourself. See, little bit mistake I have done here. See, actually 9 times 45 will be 5 here. So this 5 only. So this will be 45 into 10 will be 450. Okay. So this will be 450. And here also 45. So this will be 45. And calculate this. Okay. And after this topic, we will start the new one related to the same chapter. Just make a note, please.